absorb. It's going to be just fine.
It's going to be fun.
Yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited about the show. Who knows what they're going to talk about this year.
I know. They're saying that the host, Seth Meyers, really has to kind of toe the line there and be careful because there's some sensitive issues.
It's going to be a newsmaking day. No matter what happens, who wins, it's going to be really interesting. Okay, let's talk a little bit about other things that will be very interesting. That is this upcoming forecast for the Central Coast and most of California, by the way. So if you're traveling over the weekend, I think you're okay. But if you plan to try to get around anywhere on Monday, especially late Monday into early Tuesday, it's going to be an issue. That's out at the coastline just a bit earlier. Sun goes down just a tad too early for us. Take a look at some of the surfers out there. There's a little bit of swell. We're going to see a lot more of that as well in this forecast. As always, we're monitoring that Friday commute, but it's looking pretty good out there right now. Santa Maria 60, 63 San Luis, 65 Paso, 61 Lompoc, 57 in Santa Barbara, and the winds right now fairly light. Again, that will also change in a big way. Okay, reservoir levels. Take a look at that. Salinas actually went up. It's at 81.8. Elsewhere, just minor changes. San Antonio's at 31, Cachuma's at 38, Jameson 49.5, Gibraltar 29.5. We need a significant rain. I'm not short selling the fact that we picked up a ½ inch here the other day, but again, we were inches behind, so we need another system. Again, the concerns about this upcoming system, is it too much, too fast? Okay, across Santa Barbara County right now, we have so much low cloud cover, we actually have an advisory for that in place. There you can see all that streaming moisture getting ready to push into the area. So 2 areas of low pressure, one in the Gulf of Alaska, one in the Pacific Northwest, and this third that's to the south. 2 systems essentially merged together to bring us this rain opportunity. A lot of cloud cover as we go into the weekend. Wouldn't be surprised to see a sprinkle or 2 here and there, but it won't be that significant over the course of the weekend. There's later Saturday a little more clearing. However, valley fog will be an issue because we put down recent rainfall, and Central Valley fog could be rather pervasive. Monday morning, we could start to see a little bit in terms of rainfall, but I think most of the system holds off until later Monday. There it is coming together, that 7 a.m. Monday just off the coast. Then it comes in. Monday afternoon into Monday evening, some of those southerly winds, 15 to 30 miles per hour, gusts to 40. This is early Tuesday, so essentially we've got a really tough overnight Monday into Tuesday morning. Then the system kicks out and the balance of the week is dry. We're going to show you a couple of models. Here's one that says 1.5 inches to roughly 2 inches of rain possible. This is the American model saying essentially 1 inch to 2.5 inches. My range is 1 to 4 inches and 20-foot waves. That's a look at just the output for the Morro Bay area, and you can see once we hit the 20-foot peak, it will slowly come down and it will take a day or so to get waves back into sort of normal shape. But again, there's a look at that system kind of developing. It's a big, broad trough. It's going to hit Northern California as well. Snow level is going to be really high, but resort area snows where we really haven't seen much. They did the recent snow survey and there wasn't anything. We're going to get some badly needed snow as well in Northern California. As I said, temperatures going to be right around 70 degrees tomorrow. I could read them all off, but you get the idea. It's just a little bit cooler inland, a little bit warmer at the coast. All of that is just slightly above average. There's the extended forecast Monday into Tuesday. Some lingering instability on Tuesday afternoon could produce scattered thunderstorms too. So this is a really interesting forecast. It brings a lot of things into play that we have not had to deal with in a very long time.
Is it humid out too? It seems like it's kind of humid.
This is subtropical, so it's one of the reasons, even though it's cloudy, we're still getting 70-degree temperatures with no sun. That subtropical moisture is also very unstable, so a little bit muggy, and yeah, you can feel it.
You can definitely feel it. All right, thanks, Dave. Facebook is